I just put aluminum foil on a chicken and the result is delicious. For our recipe, we will need 3 chicken breasts. Make a cut in the middle and then a cut down the sides, this way. Take a piece of aluminum foil, crumple it well, and place it in the middle of the cuts we made. For seasoning, add salt, black pepper, mild paprika, and blend with your hands. Then, just turn it over and do the same with the bottom part. Tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. In a skillet over medium heat, add a little oil, and add the chicken breasts. And when one side is done, turn it over to cook the other side. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and write in the comments, "I love chicken." Put chicken aside. Now in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of grated cheese, 3 egg whites, some fine herbs, and stir. Make this recipe for your dinner, and I'm sure you'll love it. Now remove the foil from each breast and add the mixture we prepared. Put this chicken in a baking dish. Add 2 sliced tomatoes and put it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then take it out of the oven, add grated mozzarella cheese on top, and 3 egg yolks. Put it back in for 5 minutes. And our recipe is ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.